Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a video capture device in OBS Studio, step by step. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Now, look at the bottom of the screen. Find the section labeled Sources. Click on the plus symbol icon to add new source. From the list, click on Video Capture Device. A new window will pop up. You can give your device a custom name or just leave it as is. Then click OK. Now you'll see a new window where you can select a device. Click the drop-down next to Device and choose your webcam, DSLR, or capture card. Once selected, OBS will show a live preview of your camera feed. Adjust the resolution or FPS if needed, or leave the default settings. When you're ready, click OK to confirm. And there you go. Your video capture device is now added to your OBS scene. You can resize or reposition it on the screen by dragging the corners. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more OBS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.